Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Mishra. Today I will give answer of one question: why sky looks blue? When sunlight travels through the Earth's atmosphere, before reaching the Earth's surface, it passes through air which contains gases, dust particles, water droplets and water vapor, which scatters the sunlight. Sunlight is white in color, which is made up of mainly 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The scattering of sunlight is responsible for the blue color of the sky. When the sunlight falls on the molecules of air, the light is scattered. Scattering of light is the process in which light rays get deviated from the straight path on striking an obstacle like dust or gas atmosphere. In the scattering of light, the incident light gets absorbed by the molecules, followed by its re-radiation in different directions. All the different colors have their own different wavelengths. The wavelength of violet is the smallest, while red color has the largest wavelength. The wavelength of blue color is slightly more than the violet color. Blue color scatters more than red color. Scattering happens when light moves from one medium to other, such as air or water. A portion of light is absorbed by the medium's particles, followed by subsequent radiation in different directions. The intensity of scattered light depends on the size of the particles and the wavelength of the light. Shorter the wavelength, scattering is more. Longer the wavelength, scattering is less. Smaller particles scatter the light of shorter wavelength, like blue and violet, and larger particles scatter longer wavelength like red. If the size of scattering particle is large enough, then the scattered light may even appear white. The molecules of air and other fine particles in the atmosphere have a size smaller than the wavelength of visible light. These are more effective in scattering light of shorter wavelength at the blue end than the light of longer wavelength at the red end. The smaller the wavelength of the light, the more the light is scattered by the particles in the atmosphere. Thus, the light with the higher wavelength passes through the atmosphere with little or no scattering, while blue and violet waves are more scattered. The violet light has a shorter wavelength compared to blue light, and therefore it is scattered more. So why is not the sky violet? It is because our eyes are actually more sensitive to detect blue light. The sky looks blue because it is the blue light that gets scattered the most, and because sun itself sends out less violet and more blue. So we see the sky blue. Thank you very much.